Of all the places in the world to be quarantined, would you have rather, based on what you've read on the news, would you rather have been, other than home, would you rather have been somewhere else? I mean...
Not really, like actually, I think I kept very positive in general. I tried to be very positive in general. So I was really happy that it happened to me in Spain for some reason. And also the condo that I was staying in, luckily it was super nice and it had like a nice terrace that with a nice view. And I really appreciate the fact that the Spanish people every single day at, I think it was 7 or 8 p.m., everyone would open their windows or go to their balconies and they would just, clap for 1 minute, 2 minutes. And I really liked the neighborhood where I was because I had some neighbors that after the clapping time, they would play really, really loud music, which would be a nightmare for most people, but they would play like Pavarotti, or they would play like a beautiful classic motivational song that, would get everybody in a good mood. So we would keep clapping. I had some neighbors that were an elder couple in the building in front of me that sometimes they would play like really, really loud music from the 50s or the 60s and they would slow dance in the balcony. So, those small moments made my quarantine very special.